Oriental chicken tenders curried peanut chicken. Main ingredients: 1 soy sauce, 1/3 same sugar, 4 teaspoon vegetable oil, ground ginger, 1 teaspoon 5 spice powder, 2 bunches green onion, 16 chicken tenders, approx 2 pounds. Cooking preparation of the recipe: blend soy sauce, sugar, oil, ginger, and 5 spice powder in a large bowl until the sugar dissolves. Stir in green onions. Add chicken tenders to marinade. Turn to coat. Cover chicken and refrigerate overnight. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Drain chicken, reserving marinade. Arrange chicken in dish and bake until brown and tender while basting occasionally with marinade. 4 halves skinned boned chicken breasts. 2 half 1/2 mayonnaise. 3 tablespoon mango chutney. 2 tablespoon dry sherry. 1 tablespoon sherry vinegar. 2 teaspoons plus 1 teaspoon curry powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 2 finely chopped salted roasted peanuts. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Place chicken breasts in a shallow baking dish just large enough to hold them. Pour half and half over them and bake for 30 minutes. Let cool and cut in 1-inch cubes. Process mayonnaise, chutney, sherry, vinegar, curry powder, and turmeric in a blender or food processor. Dip chicken pieces into the curry mayonnaise and roll in the chopped nuts. Refrigerate 30 minutes. Arrange on a serving plate with fancy toothpicks.